The Belt and Road Initiative is an excellent opportunity for Africa to industrialize, to develop. The Belt and Road Initiative also is another good opportunity for infrastructure development in Africa. The most impressive project in my point of view. This will be the Kribi. I think the Kribi is also another way to boost economic development and the potential of Cameroon. I know some Chinese companies, and I know they are very committed on the development of Cameroon, but also they are very committed on skills transfer. So enterprises from China, I know they are well structured. They are doing more than only development. And we hope that tomorrow their actions, their commercial activities will facilitate an inclusive supply chain development for Cameroon. I like very much the idea of helping the countries to find their own ways, and this is an inspiration we can get from China with the support of the Belt and Road Initiative.